everybody, today I'm going to teach you how I learned to make broccoli and cauliflower in the Instant Pot. This is so fast and easy and so healthy. So check it out. Cut up your cauliflower and then cut up your broccoli, and you're going to put that into your Instant Pot steamer basket. Check the description box for a link to where you can buy one of those if you don't have one yet. It's my #1 used Instant Pot accessory. Highly recommend it. So now we're going to add 1 cup of water to the Instant Pot and just put your steamer basket right in. Close your lid, close your steam valve, set your Instant Pot to pressure cook for 1 minute. That's it. Wait for the beep and then open it up and you'll have delicious broccoli and cauliflower. That's how I learned how to make broccoli and cauliflower in the Instant Pot. I hope you'll give it a try, and I hope you'll come back to my channel where you can learn more things with me as I grow.